Would y'all just look at that? Look at that. I got me a mater. I got me a little mater on that one. And a little mater on that one. These are the patio tomatoes. And the rest of them, they're looking good. They're growing on up there. But I thought that was cool. Give me some maters on there. Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. What we're going to be doing today is I need to build a feeder for my chickens. My chickens, they stay inside the coop. Can't have them running around free-ranging because that's my father-in-law's wish, that he doesn't want free-range chickens. Fine and dandy. They're staying in the coop. I'm working now on trying to get a yard built for them so they can run out in their little yard. But I need to build a chicken feeder because that way I can feed them from the outside of my coop. Whenever I go to open up my door for the chickens, they try to get out and they get some yonder in them real quick. So I am putting together a chicken feeder, and I'll show you what I'm doing. This isn't professional by no means. This is just something I threw together. It'll help me out and help my wife out along the way. First thing I got is going to be kind of like the hopper. This is the top of the chicken feeder. This is a 3-inch pipe by 2 feet long. And also what I got is a little adapter that goes from 3-inch to 2-inch. And I'll put that on the bottom. I'm not gluing none of this together. So I put that on the bottom. And I have another little piece to go on the bottom as well. This just gives it the height that I need. So this will go on the bottom like that, and then I have an elbow like this, a little 90, and it's smooth. It just goes down and out. There's no sharp turns in it or anything like that. So I think that's going to help bring it from the hopper down out. So I put that on the bottom of my hopper. Okay, I got another piece. This is a 2-inch pipe. This piece is 16 inches long. And what I did to it is I cut out little holes in the top of it so the little chicks can get their little peckers down in there and get the food. That will go on the end of this right here with my holes facing up. Okay, so it'll kind of look like that. And also I got a cap for this right here, but I'm not going to put it on until I get ready to put it through the chicken fence, chicken wall. Let me show you how I got to cut a hole through the bottom of my chicken coop to, get off me biting fly. I got to cut a hole to put this pipe through. So let me get that done and I'll show you what I'm doing here. Alright, so I'm going to put my feeder in the back here. That way no rain or anything gets on it. But I've got to cut a hole down in the bottom down here. Okay, so I got the hole cut out. Little chicken sticking their head through the hole. Now I will stick my little pipe through there, and then I'll have to attach it to the wall up here. So let me get a piece of wire strung through here and I'll bring it right back. Okay, so got me a piece of wire strung up here. Now I just need this to hold this on. So it's not going to be nothing spectacular. That'll hold that on. Alright, so I got my ends clipped off. This will hold this up there nice and fine. And then on the bottom in there, I need to put that cap in. So I got to go into the chicken coop. So here's something that I did not think about that just hit me. How to fill this thing up. That's what happens when you go flying by the seat of your pants. But got me a old piece of cardboard, gonna make me a funnel out of it. And we're gonna fill that up. So let's do it. Alright, so I got that filled up now. The chickens, they're checking it out. Like, what is this? They're like, hey, look, there's food in here. See if we can see it on this side a little bit better. Like, hey, look at that. Oh, yeah. And for the top up here, obviously you don't want rain or anything getting in your thing. I got a cap sitting up here, and the cap goes on there. Check that out. So that's my little chicken feeder hopper, and they seem to know what's going on down there. And now we can feed the chickens from the outside of the chicken coop and not have to worry about them trying to get out or anything. Alrighty, so that's my little project. Next thing I'll be trying to figure out is some kind of water system. I may just end up buying a bigger waterer because the water can that they got now is too small. They go through it pretty quick, and I don't want them to go run out of water. But the feeder, this is just to help us, feed the chickens a little bit easier for me and my wife. I think it turned out great. What do y'all think? Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Is there something you would have done different? Like I said, this is just kind of going off the top of my head, like, I wonder what I can do. I just threw this together. I went to Ace Hardware, and they already had the 2-foot pipe already cut out, and I just grabbed those two, some end caps and elbow, and put this thing together. So I'll keep an eye on it and see how it does on, the feed coming out and everything else. But so far the chickens seem to enjoy it. I think they're still trying to figure out what's going on there. Like, what is this in my chicken coop? But for the most part, they're getting it, they're eating. And that's what I needed. Alright guys and gals, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Just a little quick video showing you how I was making my little chicken feeder hopper thing there. I think I'm going to give me some water. It's hot, it's humid, freaking biting flies out here. So yeah, that's what I got, and that's what I'm going to try to do. So if y'all like this, give that thing a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments what you think about it. That's going to be it. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.